Hello everyone, welcome back. In last video we have installed Eclipse IDE. Today we are going to install the next part, that is TestNG. So we need to first open our Eclipse. So we have here unzip it, and here is a Eclipse. So we're gonna open the Eclipse, and we're gonna start installation of TestNG. So here I see the two versions, so I will check another one. Yes, it looks same. So to avoid confusion, we can delete one of this. So I have removed the number of Eclipse which was in the same directory. So we have only one. So we'll go ahead and start the Eclipse application. So once we start the Eclipse application, it asks for workspace. So by default, it goes into the user's home directory. So my user is Dell, so it's going under Dell, and it will create a workspace directory. So if you want, it should not ask this every time. So we can give a check here. So it will do not ask again, and it will set a workspace directory inside user's home directory. If we wanna change that to some other location, we can just select from here, and we can select as per our choice. Just give a click OK. Sometime might you will face that Eclipse is not starting. So in that case, it's highly recommended to check the Java path. If Java path is not properly set, might Eclipse fails to start without any error. So in that case, we need to check. And it's very important to note the log location of Eclipse IDE. So it's by default go in users del in the same workspace directory as we just saw. This metadata. This metadata have the file called as this without name. It's a .log file. So by default, if any failed or error or mishap happen, in that case, that all the log is going to be notified here. So it's highly recommended to check the log if we face any issue, and if Java path is not properly set. So in that case also might you will see your Eclipse is not starting. So in that case, we need to go in computer properties, and we have to click in advanced system settings, and in advanced option we'll have the environment variable, and here we have to select the path for the user and path for the system. So in the both path need to be. So for me, I will just check path. So if we can check here, Java is already here. C program file Oracle Java path. So it's set already. So just we click on OK, and we'll go in Eclipse again. So here, just so it's look like this. This is a project explorer, and here we write the code. This is the output console. So all the progress we can see here, even our if any error occur in the code, we can see the error. And here we have the other option like task list and outline and all. So usually these three areas are very important when we do the coding and compile the code and build the code. All right. Now next part is, as we discussed, we need a TestNG. So to install the TestNG, Eclipse have their Eclipse Marketplace. So we have to go in Eclipse Marketplace. It will search all the plugins available in Marketplace. So it takes few seconds to list out all the plugins available, and after that we have a find here. From the find we can search the appropriate plugin. So these are the plugins. So we are interested in TestNG. So we'll type TestNG and we'll give a enter. It's there. So we'll ask to install it. So this is very important. We can note down it's coming from this URL. So in latest version, we will not have the marketplace. In that case, they have uh, to install or to add this URL manually, and after that, we're gonna get the appropriate plugins. So it's like few minutes to pull out all the files and install this plugin. So let's bring Marvin optional. So as of now, we not require this one. So we'll just uncheck it and we'll say test ng is fine. We'll click on confirm. So it's say nothing to update. So that means it's already there. So how we can check it out if it is already there? So we have to again go in Eclipse Marketplace, and this time we have to click on installed option. So it will check all the plugins which is already installed in our system. So it's like few seconds to load it. Yep. So here we have TestNG, which is already installed. All right. So here we have successfully installed the TestNG plugin.